Welcome. If you're looking to block someone on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Whether it's for privacy, peace of mind, or just cleaning up your friends list, Snapchat makes it quick and easy to block anyone you don't want interacting with you. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and friends list without any issues. Next, find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching their username in the search bar at the top of the screen, or by locating them in your chat list or friends list. Once you've found them, tap on their profile to open it. Now that you're on their profile page, look for the three dots in the top corner of the screen. Tap on those three dots to open a menu with more options. In that menu, you'll see several actions you can take. Go ahead and tap on Block. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your decision just to make sure you didn't tap it by accident. Once you confirm, that person will be blocked immediately.